These niggas be claiming they real. Most of these niggas are not. See, I'm from the land of the...
All right, here with Cub Swanson at Golden Boys boxing event. What'd you think about the fight, man? Jojo Diaz just got a second round knockout.
Yeah, I mean, he just definitely, he kind of let the guy work, and he was taking his time, getting comfortable, and then when he unleashed, he had power.
Yeah, there's a lot of fighters coming out of Coachella Valley right now. What is it, man? Something in the water? What makes you guys tough out here?
Well, we just have good athletes here in general, but then a lot of people have been flocking to our gyms just because of the great training, and there's nothing really to do here but just, you know, enjoy the nice weather at this time of year and box. So I think people are just drawn to the Diaz brothers and the good gyms we have.
So when can we see you in the ring again, man? When you fancy you again?
I'm hoping to fight again probably February or March. Trying to lock something up. I took a little time off, trying to just kind of, you know, fall in love with the sport again, get rejuvenated and let my body heal a little. And I'm hungry and I'm ready to get something.
You're gonna come back at 45?
Yeah, I'll be at 45. I think eventually I'll probably do 55, but for now 45 is fine.
There's been a lot of attention, obviously, in 45 recently. Conor McGregor recently. What do you think about that victory?
I don't have much to say about it.
A big upset recently, obviously. Holly Holm beat Ronda Rousey. Did you see that coming, or?
Well, I've sparred with Holly Holm a lot. You know, I thought it was kind of crazy that they put Ronda on the cover of Ring Magazine and not Holly, because Holly, you know, was pound for pound best female boxer for a long time. So, you know, I think that was pretty awesome that she won. She's a teammate of mine, and I think she's a great person. So I was happy for her.
That's great, definitely. Well, give us your prediction for this weekend's fight with Dos Anjos and Cowboy.
Well, Cowboy's another one of my teammates, and I think he's lost the last time they fought, but I think, man, this is the best Cowboy we've ever seen, and I think he takes it.
All right, great, brother. Well, hey, tell everyone about the gear you have and your new beer.
Oh, yeah, I had, with the Coachella Valley Brewery, made me a Killer Cub beer. It's really good. It's really powerful, though. It's a strong beer. And if you come
IPA,
out,
right?
Yeah. If you come out and to the Valley, go to the brewery and try it out.
All right. Hey, well, thanks a lot, brother. Fans can't wait to see you again.
I appreciate it. Thank you.